All right, guys, we got a 2020 Challenger Scat Pack 6-speed standard. Really beautiful manual car. Really beautiful car. These guys drove it all the way from Georgia, 4 hours from here. We're gonna switch it up for them. It's not loud enough for them. So we're gonna do a before video because it's still got an exhaust system on it. I don't know the name brand of the system, but it's just not loud enough. So it's got factory converters there and there, then 3-inch, and then the aftermarket stainless steel system. It's an X-pipe system right there. There's the X-pipe, and I think that because it's 3-inch, it's taken all the sound away. So we're gonna do a before video. I asked him and he was cool with it. So there's a 3-inch system that came on this car when he bought it, all the way back, and then he's got MagnaFlow flap deletes there and there. You guys can see the spring in there that deletes up. So we're probably going to take that out too and just zip tie these away so they can act like they're working. There and there, and then 3-inch out the back on each side, right there and right there, into some quad tips, carbon fiber. We're going to keep those tips. He likes those, so we're gonna keep those on there. But it's a complete stainless steel 3-inch system. I don't know if I think it's a MagnaFlow system, but it's just too quiet. We'll let you guys hear it. It does not have that growl that Exhaust Addicts is famous for. So we're gonna give it that growl, okay? We'll let you guys hear it. So we showed you before, 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. $392, really beautiful car. It's only got 9,000 miles on it. It had a full Borla system on it that we just cut off, and we replaced it with 2.5-inch true duals all the way back because they wanted it to scream. So that's what we did for them. Factory converters there and there, then 2.5-inch pipe, and we continued 2.5 all the way back, and then we took the valves out and zip tied them away on this side and this side, so the computer thinks that they're still working, as you guys can see. All the way, 2.5, and then we reused his tips. He liked the carbon fiber tips on it, which I don't blame him. They look really good. So we just cut it off here and reused his tips on each side, there and there, out the back. So it's got quad tips now. And this was the MagnaFlow system we cut off. That X-pipe they designed right there takes all the sound away. It sucks. So we just cut it all off, and then they got 2 mufflers out the back, there and there, and then valve deletes there and there. We took it all off. 3-inch system, we replaced it with a 2.5-inch system because they want it loud. So make sure you guys hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Make sure you guys keep doing what you're doing. We really appreciate everything you guys do for us. Gotta back it out straight. You hear it echoing off the back. It's echoing off the back. Wow. That sounds
see that other Challenger trying to catch up? That was awesome.
Scat's been stolen and we see him every day. This is how he drives it. You see the pipe hanging down, guys? And every day, this guy drives it and guns it. Watch.
And that's how performance at his best.
Yeah. You can't get any louder than that. Watch. Every day. 3 to 4 times a day because he comes to the fence company next door. There's the light on. You guys can see it's not loud enough at all. We're about to change it. Let's see what he thinks. That's awesome. Rev it again. Let's see, now it warmed up. Rev it again. So sweet. Dodge Challenger. Scat back. 6.4 liter beast. True dual straight vibe. Got a nice idle to it too.